Let's talk about how to clean the outside of sliding glass doors. First, you're going to start with your spray. Take your number one and spray down the sliders. You'll want to go ahead and spray each section at the beginning. This will save time moving through the cleaning process. Go ahead and attach a microfiber cloth to the Swiffer pole and go ahead and scrub down each section of the sliding glass door. Wipe down each section once or twice depending on the amount of debris that is left. You can use the same cloth for all of the sliders if necessary. Go ahead and change the cloth if it gets too dirty. Make sure to get all the edges and the corners to get all the debris out so none is left behind. After this step, you want to go ahead and change to the green silk cloth. This will help to polish the glass for any smears or streaks that are left behind. Go ahead and attach it and then wipe it over all the glass from left to right to ensure no streaks or smudges are left behind. By using the Swiffer pole, it'll save you time. It'll save you time not having to get to the step stool and by cutting down the streaks. After all, we want to make every movement count.